Here's my new ringtone. It's taking a little while to concentrate on it. Gotta get fast, The title of this ringtone will be on the title of this thing, but this is gonna sound weird. It's gonna be sustain. This is better. Just that's just a different one. I'm playing this on piano. So this is kind of like a piano timbo or something. I don't know what I'm gonna call it, but we'll find out. It's like white, black, white, black, white, black, white, black. Like that. White, black, white, black, white, black, white, black. Like that. Yeah. It's kind of cool. So, yeah. It's a new ringtone I made. I think it can even go higher. Or even higher. Like that. So, goodbye for my new ringtone. Yeah!